Start by sliding the Lindt chocolate Gold Bunnies and Friends into a 2-inch food-grade poly tubing. Once you have the length and amount of candy that you want, go ahead and tie a curling ribbon near the open end of the tubing, leaving enough at the end to tie the two ends together later. Now go ahead and tie ribbons between each of the chocolates. If you'd like to make your own, go ahead and look in the description where I will include a list of everything you need to make this candy lei. Once you get to the end, go ahead and cut the poly tubing if you haven't already, leaving about 2 or 3 inches so that you can tie the ends together in a minute. I like to wait until the very end to cut the tubing from the roll. That way I'm sure I have enough length for all the candies I want to fit into it. Go ahead and curl all the ribbons. And there you have it, a Lindt Gold Bunnies and Friends chocolate Easter lei. Go ahead and subscribe and follow us for some more fun ideas.